What's up, Boston Ninjas? It's Ninja Zone. Today we're going to be opening is the Tech Jack Bendy board. Let's see what's inside. It's an eraser, guys. It works. The wheels. This is cool. Doesn't really move, but it's a very small, you know. Ah, the bottom of it's really cool. This is the bottom. This is the top. So this is a kick flip. I'm gonna show you guys right here. This is a kick flip. The wheel fell off, so I have this just to keep it on securely. So then is a boneless. Okay, here's the boneless. Okay. Then is the ollie. That's it for today. Thanks for being awesome. Peace.